to my new channel, Part 21.
Past few days dahil sa
And
nomination.
that's BBB.
I just want to say, guys, try to keep this.
Let's go! Let's go, guys! Run! Run! So, guys, we're here on our dressing room. Ba't dapat daw ako dito? Oh my, guys, that hurt. Guys, I'm injured. Call a hospital, guys. My cousin. Call a hospital. Ow. Bro. Guys. Ow. Oh my God. Ouch. Mommy. Sige. Guys, ang part 21, guys. Mama, mag-vlog tayo kanina. Mamaya, tapos habang kumikilos tayo, sabihin natin, guys, babalikan ko na lang kayo pag nasa cemetery na. Diba? Sige. Guys, pag nasa cemetery na kami, guys, babalikan ka namin. Sa akin video. Ayun, sige. Bye-bye, guys. Watch. And because I'm injured, we're gonna go in the hospital. Bye-bye, watch. Don't forget to buy this. Don't forget to click the notification bell para updated ka sa lahat ng Don't forget to buy that, sabihin mo. And don't forget, I'm gonna put sabihin mo na doon next, and I'm gonna put it in the red. And don't forget, I'm gonna put it in the red shoes and the carpet. And then this shirt. Okay, bye-bye.